In Napoli, where love is king, when boy meets girl, here's what they sing. When the moon hits your eye like a big piece of pie, that's amore. When the world seems to shine like you've had too much wine, that's amore. Bells will ring, ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling, and you'll sing vita bella. Hearts will play tippy-tippy-tay, tippy-tippy-tay, like a gay tarantella. Amore, that's amore. Amore, that's amore. Hi, Maureen here. I hope you enjoyed the preview of That's Amore. Coming up next, there will be a tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I play this song to make it easy and fun. After we get really comfortable with the tutorial, then let's move along to the play along. And I know I'm going to enjoy it. Hope you do too. Let's get to it. That's Amore. There is a total of 4 chords in this song. The first chord is an A minor, one of my favorites because it's so easy. The second chord is D minor. And the third chord is E7. Now when I play the intro, I play it with a little fanfare. In Napoli, where love is king, when boy meets girl, here's what they sing. Try that, get comfortable with it, and then we'll move on to the body of the song. The rest of the song has just 2 chords, A major and E7. Okay, there's a little tip I'd like to pass along to you in playing the A major to the E7. So A is like this. You see the positioning of the fingers. And to do the E7, you switch the fingers and add the ring finger. The tempo of the song is in 3/4 time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. When the moon hits your eyes like a big pizza pie, that's amore. When the world seems to shine like you've had too much wine, it's amore. In Napoli, where love is king, when boy meets girl, here's what they sing.